In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your eBay dropshipping business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current methods, these steps will help you streamline your process and maximize your success. Let's begin with one of the most crucial steps: research and choosing reliable suppliers. This step is foundational because a dependable supplier is key to ensuring quality and timely delivery of products to your customers. Start by evaluating potential suppliers based on their track record, product quality, and delivery reliability. Look for reviews and ratings from other sellers to gauge their credibility. A good supplier will not only help in maintaining quality, but also provide a wide range of products at competitive prices, helping you stay ahead of the market. Once you've established a good relationship with reliable suppliers, it's time to list products on eBay. When listing, be sure to price your products competitively. This means doing some market research to see what similar items are being sold for and finding a price point that attracts buyers without compromising your profit margins. A well-written product description and high-quality images can increase your chances of attracting buyers, so pay extra attention to these details. Including keywords in your titles and descriptions can also help your listings appear in customer searches, making them more discoverable. After setting up your eBay listings, the next step involves handling orders effectively. When orders start coming in, promptly purchase the items from your supplier and make arrangements to have them shipped directly to your buyer. This requires maintaining open communication lines with your suppliers to ensure there are no delays in fulfillment. Offering expedited shipping options can also set your business apart and improve customer satisfaction. Providing tracking information and customer support is essential once the order has shipped. Make sure to communicate relevant tracking details to your buyers so they can monitor their package's journey. This transparency builds trust and keeps the buyers informed. Additionally, offering exceptional customer support can significantly improve your customers' overall shopping experience. Be ready to respond to inquiries and resolve any issues as quickly as possible, as prompt communication is a cornerstone of good customer service. Finally, it's important to monitor your eBay store's performance and adjust your listings regularly. Analyze your sales data and customer feedback to understand what's working and what isn't. Use these insights to make necessary adjustments, such as updating product descriptions, tweaking prices, or refreshing your inventory based on demand. Regularly optimizing your listings helps in attracting more buyers and staying competitive in the marketplace. By following these steps diligently, you'll be well on your way to running a successful eBay dropshipping business. Each step plays a vital role in the bigger picture of e-commerce success. So take the time to refine your approach and always be open to learning and adapting to changes in the market. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.